Well, the bicycle is a really interesting engineering problem in that today the limit between high strength and low weight is being pushed. That's called an asymptote, and it's being pushed lower and lower every year. And so the question mark is, where is that limit? So how light and how strong can you make it? And that's kind of my job as an engineer, is to push that limit. I race downhill and cross country at the expert level, and have been doing so for a number of years. It helps being a biker to be able to communicate effectively with our professional riders. Once we're completed all the design, the 3D CAD and the 3D structural simulation on the computer, we then have an idea of how light and how strong our frame's going to be in the virtual world. Then we have to bring it to the real world. First thing we do is the structural fatigue test, to ensure that it's to the global fatigue standard for mountain bikes. Once we know it's safe for our professional riders to get on it, we get it to them right away and get them to ride and race on it and just ride it as much as they can. Innovation comes from places where you least expect it. Usually pops into your mind at 3 a.m. in the morning. Imagine a little change, a little tweak, and the difference it would have on the new bicycle. On the new Element, we have polymer bushings for the pivots. Two of these together create a angled surface, contact surface, which make the pivot very stiff. And the material used is a very smooth running material. And the pivot design itself allows full preload on the bolt without affecting pivot stiffness. Now in R&D, I'm working on a 2013 project, which is about 2 years and a bit ahead of where we're at right now. There's lots of top secret stuff that I'd love to show you, of course, but unfortunately I can't.
Hey.
Hey man.
All built up, ready to go.
Thank you. This is the finished product. This is the Element MSL 70. It is a full carbon frame with carbon linkage. The frame with the rear shock absorber weighs just over 2 kilograms. So that's just over 4¼ pounds. The ultimate pleasure for me is to see my friends riding my bikes, and of course to see our athletes on the top of the podium on something that I'd say I co-designed, because it's really a team effort.